Math 3, final benchmark, question 25. Consider the expression where x is not equal to -2 and x is not equal to 2. All right, so again, that's just because this is a fraction, the denominator cannot be equal to 0. So the restrictions just kind of stipulate that. So what is the simplified version of the expression? So we've got x over x plus 2 plus x plus 1 over x minus 2. So the first thing we need to do is recognize that we have a fraction, and in order to combine these, we have to have a common denominator. So to get a common denominator, I need to multiply this side by x minus 2 on top and bottom. If I do the same thing on top and bottom, then that means that I'm just multiplying by 1. And on this side, I'm going to multiply by this denominator, so x plus 2. And again, anything divided by itself is 1, so I'm just multiplying this by 1. I'm just manipulating the equation. So for this, I'm going to distribute, so I'm going to have x squared minus 2x over x squared, and this is a difference of squares, so the middle terms will cancel, and it's going to be x squared minus 4. And then plus, I've got two binomials here, so I have to do distributive properties. So I'm going to have x squared plus 2x plus 1x, which is 3x, and then plus 2 over, again, this is the same denominator, so it's going to be x squared minus 4. All right, now that I have a common denominator, I can combine my numerators. So I can add these together and then keep my denominator. All right, so I've got x squared plus x squared. So I'm going to have 2x squared. And then I've got -2 plus 3, which is plus 1x. And then I have plus 2. And that's going to be over my x squared minus 4. All right, so if I look at my answer choices, see if I'm close. I'm going to have 2x squared plus x plus 2 over x squared minus 4, so I don't have to simplify that any further. So common denominator, combine your numerators, and then just combine like terms. So the answer for number 25 is D.